How to remove transactions from bank statement. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove your transaction from bank statement, or is it even possible. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing that you need to know is that bank statements are generated automatically once a month like this. So if you want to view your statement, you can check your monthly statement on your bank's app or website, and they contain all of the records of your account and the transactions that were made during the previous months. So you have to note that, and you cannot remove the bank transactions from your account statement because for security reasons, all of your transactions are recorded on your bank statement. And if the statement of your account contains an unknown transactions, you can call your bank and clarify it. And for example, let's say if by mistake the bank has debited some amount of money from your account, then you can request for a refund. However, the refund is going to be a separate transaction, so it does not count on the previous transactions, and you cannot remove the transaction from your account statement. So the bank statements are basically a security measures and records that will help you track all of your transactions, which you cannot remove from your account. But if there are any additional transactions that have been made without your knowing, then you can always call your local branch and then contact them. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.